Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Flower Beauty. I hope you all are well and fine. So guys, today I'm going to talk about something very important. Please pay attention to the signs and synchronicities that I'm talking about. If some people are spotting and seeing these signs and synchronicities, it means some huge change, some big transformation is about to happen in their life very soon after the end of this lockdown period. Okay, when this lockdown is going to end and the end of this coronavirus, something for some people it can be after the lockdown, and for some people it can be by the end of December, something a period between 5 to 7 months. Okay, it can also be like that also, because I cannot give a specific period of time. Energy always shifts, so it can be like that by the end of the lockdown or by the end of when this coronavirus is going, literally we will be ending, or some vaccination will be out there for those people. As I'm going to say some signs and synchronicities you will be seeing right now. Not everyone, few people, maybe some of the people are going to see like 10 10. You can see 10 10, you can see 11 11, you can see triple nine, triple nine. Yes, you can see triple nine right now, but I'm not sensing right now. You can see triple five, especially triple five, 55 55. You can see 22 22. You can see triple three, and some people can see even the signs of infinity symbol. Okay, and some people can spot some butterflies, like white butterflies or orange, or you can, if some people are spotting any dragonfly, and listen to it very carefully. Seeing butterfly, it doesn't mean that you have to see butterfly in real, or you have to see the dragonfly in real. It means that if you're seeing continuously some pictures of butterfly or something there, or any kind of fly, okay, you are seeing right now, it means some change is about to happen in your life. It means soon you are going to spread your wings and you're going to fly, any kind of flies. Okay, and if you're going to see mosquito, a lot of time mosquito and all, it's buzzing around you, maybe it is your spirit animal, it is trying to say you something. Basically mosquito are very wise, okay, very wise insects, and it says about something there inside your life. If you are seeing a lot of mosquitoes buzzing around you all the time, making that irritating sound, that can harm anybody, that can stop anybody from sleeping, that sound of mosquito, it means that something there is inside you, in your life, that is draining your life force energy, that is draining your life force energy. Even you can dream of blood or something like red. Okay, you can dream of blood or red or vermilion. It means it means that your life force energy is being drained by something, some kind of anxiety, some kind of people, because of some kind of stress. Okay, so it is telling that you need to pay attention to this. If you're seeing butterfly is a sign of very good thing. It means a sign of transformation, a very big huge change in your life. Okay, it means if you're seeing all these numbers and all these signs, it means that you are definitely in a very in a spiritual path, in a spiritual journey, and you have a specific life purpose. You need to find it out, what is your life purpose is. Those who are in a spiritual journey, they are awakened. Those people who are awakened, they need to find it out first. That is their most utmost duty, is what is my life purpose, why I am born in this mother earth. It is their duty. Okay, when you're awakened, because it is your duty being awakened, after being awakened. Okay, in a spiritual journey. And you got to see 11 11, triple one, 11 11 is not only a twin flame number. No, it's not about twin flame numbers. It's not only a twin flame number. Definitely it's a twin flame number, but it's always about spiritual awakening. You are having a spiritual awakening. Okay, 333, 555, 555. Okay, these are all about, spirit doors are opening, divine is communicating with you, you are strengthening the bond with the divine. And pay attention, if you're waking up near about 3:30, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, please sit down and listen what your angels are trying to communicate with you at that point of time. Maybe you can get some message, some intuitive, your intuition level will be very high, very peak, will be at its peak. Okay, and butterfly, if you're going to see butterfly, yellow butterfly or white flower butterfly or orange, yellow means and if you got to see some feathers also, I can sense that it means that your ascended masters, your deceased loved ones, your spirit guides are always around you. You are not alone in this journey, they are guiding you, they are with you. And soon you'll be ending this tough cycle, and you'll be having a beautiful beginning. You will be, if you're spotting a white butterfly, it means you're going to have a beautiful beginning. Peace and tranquility will be there in your life right now, that is lacking in your life. Then you will have peace, serenity and tranquility in your life. Okay, a good thing is going to come inside, your good news. And yellow and orange butterfly also say the same thing about prosperity, abundance, love. New thing is coming your way, some new opportunity can come your way. Okay, it's a very good news, very good thing. If you're spotting black, it means something is ending. Okay, something is ending, whether you are ending a relationship, a breakup, a divorce, or you are having some, you are getting rid of toxic people and toxic things out of your life. You are understanding who are for your good, who are for your bad, and you are ending those kind of relationship. You are just cutting the cords. Okay, cutting the karmic cords. Okay, that is very good. And if you got to see dragonfly, pay attention to dragonfly, that is very important. It means it can have lot of meaning. A dragonfly has got lot of meaning. If you got to see dragonfly, it means maybe you're lacking light-hearted energy, you're not having fun. And that dragonfly is telling you you need to live a life to the fullest. Dragonfly lives for 7 months, and in that 7 months they live their life to the fullest. So this dragonfly is telling you to live your life to the fullest. Okay, be happy, have that childlike playful energy. Okay, be like, let your inner child speak. Okay, let your inner child express all its emotion. Okay, and it is also, this dragonfly also says about self realization. Go deep down inside yourself, and if you're, and you maybe you at this point of time you are having lot of self realization. And this dragonfly also says that maybe you are getting very much spiritually, highly spiritually awakened, and you are your emotions are under your control, and you are very much getting balanced, very much emotionally getting balanced. Right now it is right now at once what you used to think about life, what you have seen, what you used to see life, now all those perspective have changed. You are looking life, the world, in a more beautiful perspective, in a more beautiful way, and you have become very much matured, your emotions have become matured, and your perspective has changed. What your old thoughts and patterns that you used to think, that have all been destroyed, and you are thinking in a different way, and you are becoming a new person, a very wise, a very mature person, who is very much emotionally stable, whose emotions are very much controlled. Okay, very much balanced. And it also says that fairies are around you. Dragonflies also says that fairies, dragonflies are very light body. Okay, and it says that fairies are around you, and fairies are always about having fun. Okay, very beautiful fairies, look very beautiful, very beautiful, and very good. It's very light hearted. So it's like that, fairy energies are around you. Even it says, dragonfly says that, okay, I forgot what is that. Wait, yes, not only fairies, it is also saying that some people, those who are not flexible, who are not that adaptable, Maybe this dragonfly is telling you to be flexible. Soon you are going to be very flexible. A change is coming and you are not feeling comfortable. When we stay in a cocoon and we feel and there is a time comes, and when a time comes, then we need to come out of we need to come out of the cocoon, out of that cozy place and spread our wings and fly. We feel that fear because we may fall down, and that change, and we are afraid of that new thing, okay, spreading our wings. So that dragonfly is telling that be flexible, be adaptable to the change, embrace the change. Dragonfly is such a light body. It can rotate, it can move, it can flap its wings 30 times per minute, okay. It's very powerful being such a small insect, okay, such a small fly. It has got lot of power inside, lot of wisdom inside itself. So it's all about flexibility also. If some people are not flexible, they're telling you to be flexible, to not to be rigid. And if some people are very flexible, and it is also telling that if some people are very flexible, you have not flexible, you were not flexible in a few days back or few years back, and you have become very much flexible nowadays. So it's a good news, it's a good thing coming your way, and you will be flying, you'll be having fun. It's all about good things. You are very much emotionally matured. Your perspective towards life, your thinking patterns, everything has changed, and you are being a very better version. You are every day you're being a very better version of yourself, okay, getting a better version of yourself. So this is my messages, guys. Those who are seeing all these numbers, all these animal totems, okay, please pay attention to this. Even you can spot some people, not all, few people can spot spiders, okay, few, not all, very few people can spot spiders. I can see this point of time, because some people, if you are spotting spider, it means maybe you have some hidden fears, and that is going to come up front, okay, that is going to come up, and you have to deal with that fear, okay. It can be like that. It can also, spiders also says that some hidden thing, hidden means some mysterious kind of thing, something is cooking behind you and you don't know about it. It may like that some people are spreading some slanders and rumors about you, and you're feeling it inside yourself. You're feeling intuitively something is going, something is happening, but you can't, you can't figure it out. What's that thing, what is that thing? You don't have that, any clue about it. You don't know, you're not able to spot what's that, but your intuition, your inner hunch is telling you, okay. It means it is there. If your intuition, trust your gut feelings, trust your intuition. It's soon going to come out, soon is going to reveal, okay. So this is my message for today. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please tell me in the comment box if you are seeing this signs and synchronicities. Please let me know, okay, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye. Stay safe.